So we are going to learn how to install the SPSS on our machine. You see, I've already installed it on mine. And when you install it, is how you are going to see it. I told you if you download it online, most of you will install. When you open, you cannot use it. So what I'm going to teach you is very, very important. How to install the SPSS. It should also expire. It should also expire. So how do we crack it? And that is the process we are going to pass through. Now, that is the IBM SPSS statistics. That is the 27.01 version. That's the current version. If I don't know whether today they are bringing another one, but this is the updated version. So those who are using the 20 and those stuff, 17, 18, make sure you download this one and change it. Life is changing, so change yourself as a researcher, update yourself. Now, I wanted to install, so let's assume I'm done downloading. When you are done downloading and you extract, you are going to get it this way. Now, this is the one you are going to install. That's the application. They have written application. So please double click. They are saying I should extract because they think I've not extracted. So let me go ahead. I will say extract it so that at least it will be okay since I'm passing you through the method. So it is extracting it. It is extracting it for the purpose of this study. So take time and just watch all the process. I might even uninstall what I have to take you through. Now, this extraction we have. We can now open it. And now the symbol has come. The SPSS statistics, this thing has come. So it means you can double click on this one to open. So you take time and look at the process. I don't know why, good. Then you click on yes. You click on yes, so it is preparing to install. Preparing to install. Preparing to install. Good. Let's go and see from the screen. Preparing to install. In your case, when you are done with that and you go yes and do stuff, it will install. Good. This is the drop up. Then you go to next. Just you see they are asking me modify because I have it already. I have it. That's why they are giving me modify, repair, remove. I'm not going to remove. So for you, you are not going to have this option. So just click on next and typical. What you have is typical. Listen, typical will come. So you just click on the typical and move ahead. So when you go, the installation will come. Then you click on it. You see, install is here. After you are done and you click on install, it will follow suit and it will install for you. So I'm canceling my process. So when it finishes, you just click on finish and you are done. Now you will see that this icon has shown on your machine, meaning you have been able to install. You can refresh it like that. But if you open, it won't work. You wanted to operate it, it won't work. In that case, what do? Now go to the folder again. Go to the folder again where it is the SPSS folder. We have crack. We have this one, IF026 update. I'm going to teach you how we crack it. You open it. You see JRE. Copy. Copy that one, Copy. So I'm going to copy. Can also use Ctrl+C. Now come to your machine. This PC. This one will come. Open it. Then you go to files. At times, yours will come to program files or it will go to program files times 86. It depends on where your machine will decide to bring it. So most of it is here. When you open, you will see IBM. So open the IBM. You see, I copied JRE from there. Then you come to SPSS, open. Go to statistics, open. 27, open. Now it will open. You see that there's JRE here already. I'm going to paste the one I copied here. Right click. paste will come, click on that one, and it will say that, do you want to replace the file in the destination? You say yes, click on that one and replace it. They just do all this for the current items. Continue. I want you to replace everything, so replace them. You know why? The first one they give, the JRA, when you try to use it, the machine will not work. It means that it has not cracked. You have not buy it. So you copy that one, you come and paste it to replace that one. Then you go back to your folder again. So let's go back to our folder again. We are going back from where we were coming from. We copied from this one. You go to crack. There are two things here. This one without a portfolio, ISERVRC, and readme. It's not a readme. Come for this one. Control plus C. You can copy. You can copy from here. Then you go back to where you were. This PC again. Go to your program files. Go to your program files. Come to your IBM again. Go to SPSS. Go to statistics. Go to 27. It will open again for you. Now, empty space. So I'll right click and I'll do paste again. I'm going to paste that and say replace it. Yes, it is already there. So they want you to replace it. Click on that one. Continue, senior. Continue for me. Good. You see, after I'm done, this is what is shown. It means you are done with the SPSS installation. You are done with the cracking. They are not going to ask you what is the product key and those. They are not going to ask you anything again. You will use it until you want to uninstall from your machine. Anytime you can open. So now let's go to the SPSS here. I'm going to open for you to see. I've double click it. Basic IT skills. So they will say double click. So I've double click. I'm waiting for the response. You see the machine is operating on so many things are operating on the machine, so it is slowing down. So good. Hey, not know where I was not clicking it well. So it has opened. It has opened. Good. So this thing you are going to study, somebody studied this one around 1980. And the person is used to do analysis, publish articles. The person is dead. Now, this is the view you will see in the SPSS. The view you will see. I'm going to make how to use the SPSS very, very simple for you. Go to the data view. We have variable view. We have data view. That one too is also easy. Some people, when they see they are running away, hey, SPSS, they say we used to for analysis and they are confused. You see the variable view. It means that the variables you use to set the questionnaire will show up here. The name, or you see all the questions item. Let me go to the questionnaire for you to see something. We are having something here. This questionnaire, we are going to code it. This is training, right? So it means that when we are coding, this one becomes, that's why some people, they add another column for their table. And this one becomes T1. This becomes T2, T3. Those who wanted to show professional, they add this to their questionnaire, they distribute. T4, and you see you are 8. What type of design is that? It's nice. Yeah, that's it. T5. So you are going to code it. When you come to this column, although it's 6, it becomes EP1. Employee performance 1. You are going to name it. So this becomes EP2. It follows EP3. So you are coding your questionnaire. Now let's come back to the SPSS we have opened. When you open, please listen. The first space that will come is a dialog box. And when the dialog box comes, just click on that and tell them not to show those space again. Now all those T1 and those stars will be shown here. So age will come, sex will come, education will come, nationality, experience. The way you said the questions, EP, T1 will come, T2 will come, T3. Most often, the full sentence will come here. But you are going to convert and clean it to make it T1, T2, T3 here. When I'm going to teach you how we import all of them. Then the type. Label. Label here is the questions you are going to see. So I should not even talk about. Just look at the overview. There's the SPSS overview. You go to file. Don't worry. This is a file where we are going to import the SL. That's where we are going to import the SL. We have the edits. When they come there, all these things are going to work. We will come to analyze. This is the analyze column to do our analysis. All those type of analysis we want is here. So you see now, even when I started, things have become easy. Graph. If you want graph in your work, you just go there and do it. Now, let me teach you how to install the process Vim4. We are now on the process Vim4. After you have opened, go to extension. Come to utilities. Scroll to let the mouse pass on it. Don't bring it here, the ladies. Most of you forget. They'll bring it here and this one will clean. Be like, hey, I cannot see it. Just go straight and come here. Come to install. Click on that. That's how you install the process Vim4. Where did you download the process Vim4 and where did you extracted it to? So let's assume, let me go and extract that one for the purpose of this study. Let me go and extract that one again. So this is here, extract all for me. Go and extract it. Good. Now it has been extracted. It has been extracted. Where did they even extracted it to? Okay, so let me go to my machine. So let's see. I'll come to documents. Let me go to desktop, agenda, drive. Let's see, the tuition is here. I don't know where they extracted it from, but I'm trying to guess a place where it will go. So I'll open this one. The June training, softwares are here. The process Vim4 here, it was extracted here. Please listen. We have a software that is called R. Software that is called SAS. Software that is called SPSS. All of them, you can install the process Vim4. So you will come and choose the SPSS. And all of them operate on the same principle. If you learn SPSS, well, you can know how to use the R for risk analysis and do stuff. Then you click on open. This one will come. Come and click on open again with their folders. And the process will show SPD. Now click on the SPD. Then come and click on open. So there is already a dialog. No, I don't. You go ahead and install it. Good. You click on OK. And this information will come. You click on OK, you are done. The process Vim4 will show here. Look here. You come to analyze. We will go to regression. And the process Vim4 will show at the regression column. It was developed by a professor called Andrews Pace. So it's here. And that is what we are going to use to do the mediation analysis, moderation analysis. And that is what I was saying. Some lecturers will say, don't go and use some Amos to do some. They are the same. They are playing the same function. Just that for the Amos, they will draw path diagram for you. But this one will give you results where you can compare to those aspects. You come to the process Vim4 and you are done. This is how we install the SPSS we want to install. Please, let us take note of that.